and welcome to our channel. Let's be real. We all wish we had more hours in the day, right? Time seems to slip through our fingers no matter how hard we try to hold on to it. Whether you're building a business, rocking a side hustle, or just trying to juggle everything life throws your way, feeling strapped for time can be super stressful. It's like there's always something demanding your attention. But what if I told you that you can actually do more and stress less? Imagine a life where you're in control of your time, not the other way around. The key is getting really freaking brilliant at time management. It's not just about cramming more into your day, but about making the most of every moment. And that's what we're diving into today. We're going to explore strategies that can transform your daily routine and help you achieve your goals without burning out. Get ready to unlock the power of productivity as we reveal the top 10 time management tips that will help you reclaim your schedule, boost your efficiency, and create the space to live your most fulfilling life. Let's do this. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to take control of your time and make every second count. So, let's start with the basics. Time management is a skill that can transform your life. What exactly is time management? It's more than just keeping a schedule. In a nutshell, it's about taking control of your time instead of letting it control you. It involves planning, prioritizing, and executing tasks efficiently. It's about making conscious choices about how you spend each precious moment so you can create a life you love. Imagine having more time for the things that truly matter to you. Think of it like this. Time is your most valuable resource. Unlike money, once it's gone, you can never get it back. You can't make more of it, but you can learn to use it wisely. Effective time management can help you achieve your goals faster and with less stress. And that's where time management comes in. It's about setting clear goals, breaking them down into manageable tasks, and staying focused on what's important. It's about working smarter, not harder, so you can get more done in less time. This means using tools and techniques that help you stay organized and productive. And the best part? It helps you reduce stress and overwhelm, so you can actually enjoy the journey. When you manage your time well, you create a balanced life where work and relaxation coexist harmoniously.
Okay, let's talk about prioritization. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Prioritization is the secret sauce that can transform your productivity from good to extraordinary. You see, when you're clear about your priorities, you gain the superpower to focus your energy on what truly matters. It's like having a laser beam that cuts through the noise and distractions. It's about aligning your actions with your values and goals. When your daily tasks reflect your long-term objectives, you create a powerful synergy that propels you forward. One of my favorite tools for this is the Eisenhower Matrix. This simple yet effective tool helps you categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. By dividing your tasks into 4 quadrants, you can easily see what needs your immediate attention and what can be delegated or postponed. Trust me, this one's a game changer. It not only helps you manage your time better, but also reduces stress by providing clarity. Another gem is the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. This principle is a cornerstone of effective prioritization. It states that roughly 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Imagine the impact if you could identify and focus on that critical 20%. So the key here is to identify and focus on that powerful 20%. This means honing in on the tasks that yield the highest returns and letting go of the less impactful ones. Remember, prioritization is not about doing everything, it's about doing the right things. It's about making smart choices that align with your goals and values, ensuring that your efforts are always directed towards what truly matters.
Now that you're clear on your priorities, it's time to create a plan. Think of your schedule as your roadmap to success. It helps you stay organized, focused, and on track. Start by creating a daily or weekly to-do list. Break down those big, audacious goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Then block out specific time slots for different activities. This is called time boxing, and it's a game changer for productivity. And don't forget to set realistic deadlines. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help you avoid procrastination.
Let's be real. We all have those sneaky time wasters that sabotage our productivity. The first step is to identify them. Is it social media, excessive emails, unproductive meetings? Once you know your triggers, you can start to eliminate or minimize them. Set boundaries, turn off notifications, and learn to say no to requests that don't align with your priorities. Remember, focus is your superpower. Train yourself to single task and give your full attention to one thing at a time. You got this.
Ready to take your time management game to the next level? Let's talk tools and techniques. One of my all-time favorites is the Pomodoro technique. It's all about working in focused bursts with short breaks in between. It's amazing for boosting concentration and getting things done. There are also tons of amazing time tracking apps and task management tools out there like Trello, Asana, and Todoist. These can help you stay organized, manage deadlines, and collaborate with others. Experiment and find what works best for you.
Here's the thing, beautiful. You can't be productive if you're running on fumes. Taking care of your physical and mental health is essential for optimal time management. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating nourishing foods, and moving your body regularly. And don't forget to schedule in regular breaks throughout the day. Stepping away from your work can actually help you be more productive when you return. Oh, and one more thing. Don't underestimate the power of mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help you reduce stress, improve focus, and boost your overall well-being.
Chapter 7. Review and Reflect. The power of looking back to move forward. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to review and reflect on your progress. What went well? What could have gone better? What adjustments can you make tomorrow to be even more efficient? Remember, time management is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous improvement and finding what works best for you. So, be kind to yourself, celebrate your wins, and embrace the learning process.
Chapter 8. Work-life balance. Create a life you love. Listen up, gorgeous. You deserve a life you love, not just a life of endless to-do lists. That's why work-life balance is so important. It's about creating clear boundaries between your work life and your personal life, so you can show up fully in both. Make time for the things that bring you joy, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing and recharging. Remember, you are not a machine. You need time to rest and recharge in order to be your most productive and fulfilled self.
Chapter 9. Continuous Improvement. The Journey to Time Management Mastery. Here's the thing about time management. It's not a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process of learning, experimenting, and refining your approach. Make it a habit to seek out new time management techniques and tools. Attend workshops, read books, listen to podcasts. There are so many resources available to support you on your journey. And remember, consistency is key. The more you practice these tips, the more natural they will become. Chapter 10. Benefits of Effective Time Management. Unlock your full potential. So we've covered a lot of ground today, but I want to leave you with this. Effective time management is not just about getting more done, it's about creating a more fulfilling and meaningful life. When you master your time, you reduce stress, boost your productivity, and free up space for the things that matter most. You gain a sense of control over your life and unlock your full potential. And that, my friend, is priceless. Outro, go forth and conquer your time. By implementing these strategies, you can make the most of your 24 hours, achieving more while maintaining a healthy balance between work and personal life. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay committed to your goals, and never stop learning and growing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life.